Welcome, radiant soul, to the Blooming Spirit podcast. I'm Nola Bloom, and today I'm sharing a magnetic heart meditation for raising your vibration. This practice invites you to soften heavy energy, awaken the warmth of your heart, and radiate a frequency that draws in love, peace, and moments aligned with your deepest truth. When we rest in the heart, we tap into its natural prana, creating a magnetic field that aligns us with our highest self. This meditation is for anyone seeking to lift their vibration and move through life with clarity and presence. So go ahead and find yourself a comfortable seated or lying down position. Close down your eyes and slow the breathing down. Allow the facial muscles to relax, your shoulders to release tension, and let the weight of the day melt away. There's no effort needed. Just follow the sound of my voice. Bring awareness to your breath, its rhythm, its gentle rise and fall. Big breath in and big breath out. Bring awareness to your body. Feel the support beneath you, the weight of your hips, the quiet lift of your chest. Place your hands gently over your heart, and sensing the warmth beneath your palms. Notice the steady beat of your heart, syncing with the rhythm of your breath. With each inhale, feel your heart's presence growing radiant and alive. And with each exhale, feel yourself dropping deeper and deeper into the support beneath you. Keep your hands resting over your heart. And imagine the space breathing. With every inhale, draw in a soft golden light, warm and alive. With every exhale, release any heaviness, fear, or doubt. Let this glow fill your chest like a gentle sunrise spreading warmth. Feel this golden light growing brighter. flowing through your ribs, spine, and lungs. Feel it cascade into your belly, hips, legs, feet. Then rise to your throat, base, crown of your head. Your entire body pulses with gentle vitality, anchored in the heart's radiant glow. See your heart as a tender, powerful lotus flower, unfurling its petals with each breath. This is your radiant core, blooming with love and prana. As it opens, a soft wave of light ripples outwards, wrapping your entire body in a warm, safe cocoon. Like a gentle embrace from the universe. And let this wave of light expand beyond your body. Filling the room with a soft, radiant hum. Sense it reaching further, touching the trees, the sky, the sea, and the stars above. Feel its magnetic pull. Calling in peace, love, joy, and everything that aligns with your truth. What no longer serves drifts away, like leaves in a quiet stream, leaving only what nourishes your soul. Now affirm softly, inwardly, or out loud. I am open. I am safe. I am radiant. May my heart lift with love. Rest in this expanse of light. Feel its warmth connect you to the world. Your heart's vibration is steady, magnetic, and alive. Imagine this light weaving through your day, illuminating your path, your words, your connections with others. Imagine gathering this light inward, storing it like a sacred flame in your chest. Ask yourself quietly, what energy do I wish to carry and share with the world today? Let a word, image, or feeling arise. Peace, courage, joy, devotion, trust what comes. Picture this intention as a seed glowing softly in your heart, ready to bloom in its own perfect time. Know that this energy will guide you, raising your vibration through every moment of your day. Rest in this clarity for a few more breaths. Trusting its gentle power. Feel the ground beneath you, the air on your skin, the rhythm of your breath. Bringing awareness back into your body, wiggling your fingers and toes. And take one last big breath in and big breath out. Sense the steady beat of your heart, your compass, your magnet, your guide. When you're ready, slowly opening your eyes and carrying this radiant energy with you as you move throughout your day. If this meditation supported you, I'd be grateful for a 5-star review on my show. It helps others discover heart-centered practices and connect with their own radiant energy. Until next time, open your heart and raise your vibration. Namaste.